Okay. Welcome po tayo sa ating Senge for tonight po. Playing po blue. Playing blue or playing as dark blue po. Ito po ang The Sky Team. And of course, ito na po, playing white and sky blue na po. Ito po ang Airport United. Ito mga host of you, Arvin G. Vlogs. You will now start now sa ating Senge for tonight po sa ating laro. Ang liga naman lumilipat, Aviation Friendly League, dubbed as the Flying League. This is our Senge for tonight po. Ito po ang The Sky Team versus Airport United. Ito po, okay, this is your Aviation Friendly League, dubbed as a Flying League. First, we'd like to thank the following sponsors: Thread the Needles and Team LBC Hara ng Padala. Sapo natin po dyan ng SPB Ara and PSBQ Basketball League. And of course, nandiyan po ang ating pong participating teams: Cabin Line, The Hub, Oryx Basketball, In-Flights, CAS, Airport United, Boleros, Pure Towers, Sky Team, Mechanicals, and the Freighters. Sapo natin po dyan ang eliminations. First game po isa tapos na po. Now on the second game for tonight po. Ito po ang Sky Team versus Airport United, followed by Cabin Line versus QR Towers. At po third game po sa gabi ito po. Please come on time. Nagsimula po kasi on time po ang sinusundin nyo po itong league ng itong laro pong nito. Maraming salamat po and senge po tayo pong yun. Sky Team playing dark or blue versus Airport United playing white. Yan, magandang bakbakan po yan. Bakbakan to the max. Ika nga. Was almost same po sila sa side po. Wala pong height po. Wala po silang ano. I think this will go on speed. Speed ang mangyari po dyan. Speed ang mapangyari po. Speed. Okay. Okay, first set. First liners. Of course, nandyan si Dominic. Sampo natin po dyan si Kalilong, si Ilaw, si Arbrantes at si Mr. Babagay. Wala po silang legit big man po ang Airport United. Samantala po dito na po, of course, nandiyan po yung kanilang starters din. Siyempre si Enteng, si Billy, si Bryle. Saan po nyo po si number 24. Malabo kasi mata ko, pasensya na po. At sino po yung isa po? Okay, si Walter. Yan, Walter. Okay, ito na, laban na. Okay, yan si Arbrantes. Okay, si Billy and Kalilong for the opening tip-off. Eto na. Okay, nandun si Babagay. Pass to Barantes. Flow to shot. No good. Rebound. By Kalilong. Babagay naman. Kick pass kay Dominic. Kay Visto. Pops up. No good. Rebound. Gokotano po ngayon. Rebound Gokotano. Now Albert Barasig is all watching already. Si Medina number 24. Then si Gokotano pass kay Barantes. Nakuha. Foot race mo si Mr. Oy! Blue ball. Blue ball po tayo. Blue ball. Ito na po tayo. Blue ball. Okay, now Walter. Now Bryle. Billy. Dukot. Wala. Rebound. Ilaw. Babagay. Now Air Barantes for 3. Yes, sirree. Bank shot made. 3 points. Barantes. The score is 3-0. Lamang po ang Airport United. 55 seconds. 8:55 remaining. And now Bryle. Thinking 3 also. Pops up. Pops it in. Bryle 3 points also. Sabi nila, anong 3 points niya? Meron din kami yan. Sabi ni Bryle. Eto, sagot namin. 3 points Bryle. Visto number 2. Ilaw. Tapas. Barantes. Ayun. Kalilong. No good. Nice defense ni Billy. Pinasa kay nandun si Babagay. Through Visto. And Kalilong naman. 2-on-2. Babagay. 2 points. Babagay 2 points. 8-11 remaining. Maclois is watching. Si Mr. Bistos is watching. Pops up for 3. No. Rebound Talino again. Kick pass kay Bisto. Bisto magdadalo muna daw. Babagay. Kumat kagad. Babagay. Barantes. Wala. Rebound Ilaw. 2 points. 2 points Ilaw. 2 points. Ilaw 2 points. And Walter. Walter zigzagging. Nice pass. To Walter muna. Walter. Billy. 3-second violation ang tinawag agad ng referee. 3-second violation, tinawag din ng ating pong mabuting referee. Pinapapag kagad, Bisto. Bisto to Babagay. Babagay. Whoop! Same ball, sabi ng referee. Bryle, touch last by Bryle. Touch last by Bryle. Nando si Enteng, Gokotano, the G-Express, no good. Billy, 2 points Billy. Ginamitan ng pinagbabaw ng technique. Billy, 2 points, 7-5 ang score po natin. 6:40 remaining. No good again to Billy Siena, and one play made. And one play made for Billy Siena. 7-all po tayo. 6:27 remaining. Airport United called for a timeout. Please take note for Airport United coming from the loss at the hands of the Hub. I think there also yung Hub yata. Dito yung Hub yun. Buong nag-scouting yata sila yun. Scouting yata. Hub yung scouting yata. Nag-scout ko ya. Airport United po, mga dalaro po yung nakaraang Sabado po, pero natalo na po sila po ng The Hub. Samantala po yung Sky Team naman po, maganda rin ka ng nilaro rin. And back to the ball game po tayo. 6:24 remaining. Handaan nyo na po yung second liners nyo po. Maraming salamat po. Okay, back to the ball game. Billy Siena shooting for 2. Shooting for the bonus free throw. Okay, Billy Siena. Pops up. No good. Rebound, Bisto. Kick pass kay Barantes. Barantes naman. Against Billy Siena. Barantes, kalusot. Barantes. Nandun sa Kalilong. Pasok ang bola. Pasok. 3 points, Kalilong. Lima sa pagpapasok dito. Magpapasok yan. No good. Rebound again. Ilaw. Ilaw again. Bisto. Ilaw. Foul. Tinotopak ng cellphone. Hinakta si Doy. Okay. Dave Ilaw. Pops up. 2 points. Point for Dave Ilaw. Dave Ilaw. Point. Second shot. Jumper shot. The score is 11-7. Favor po. 4-point lead. Favor po ng Airport United. No good. Rebound battle won by the white shirts. Babagay. Put back. 2 points. Babagay. 2 points. 6:50 remaining. Medina. Bryle, muntik pa mawala-wala. And now Walter. Bryle for 3. No good. Rebound Ilaw. Babagay. Takbo kagad. Takbo kami lupa. Ayun. Nice D by Walter. 5:25 remaining. Dave Ilaw. Babagay for 3. Bang! 3 points Babagay. 5:11 remaining. Second line siya po. Handaan nyo na po. Okay, Mark Toto is watching. Jason Labrado is watching also. Pops up Walter. Nope, in and out. Binatuhan ng bola kay Barantes. Malakas ang pasa. And change 5 po tayo. Change pipe po tayo. Change pipe, of course. Sa kabila mo na po, ito na, yung usual partners po. Si Royol, si Cloyd, si number 31, si Trapal, at si number 25. Kabila ng course, nandiyan po sila Di Macali, si Molina, si Dominic, at si Spiritu, at si Eric. Si Eric, nandiyan na, si Grama, si EG, si SG Eric. Trapal, pinatuwa kay Cloyd for 3. No good. Rebound by Josh. No good still. Now rebound. Nag-agawan silang dalawa. Balik muli po sa Blumbola. 14 seconds shot clock. Give it again. 14 seconds. Bryle. Dex. Bryle. In and out. I think wala sila kanila. Nagpapahinga. Nag-recuperate pa yata. O naka-duty sila kanila. Yung kanilang high flyer. Eric Grama. Espiritu. Sinusukatan ng depensa. Espiritu. Against Trapal. Espiritu. Di Macali. Kick pass kay Eric Grama for 3. Wala. Rebound Royol. 16-7, a 9-point advantage being posted now by Airport United. Number Trapal, Cloyd, Abregana, no good. Rebound by Di Macali again. Di Mapakali, and Dominic Cordero pops up. Bang. Cordero 3 points. 3:20 remaining first quarter action, drawing to a close already at 19-7. A 12-point advantage now been posted now by Airport United over Sky Team. Cloyd Abregana. Cloyd. Zigzagging. Nope, it's Royol. Nope. Espiritu against Dex. Ayun na. Di Macali, Espiritu, power move, SG, ayan, Cordero, no good, rebound Royol, wag muna raw, sabi niya, Royol naka-rebound, Jolen sana, wala, and same ball daw tayo, sabi ng referee. Same ball. Number 30 for the inbound, it's Dex, it's Trapal now to Cloyd, Abregana, driving shot. Oy. Okay, foul called. Abregana. Shooting ba? Hindi. Okay, lalabas lang daw. Down. 25. Arnel, humingi ng bola. Trapal. Nandyan si Josh. What a play. Hindi po Josh, nandun si Molina. Nandiyan po si Espiritu, pinapambola. Espiritu, bring down the ball. Espiritu driving strong. Espiritu, no good, no foul. Nice D. And nice tap out ni Mr. Molina. Tap out ni Molina. 2 minutes remaining. Ayun na naman. Puti bola. Puti. Foul called. Arnel called for the foul. Si Trapal po yan. Okay. Tamer Bowler is already watching. Yes. Dominic. Nick. Nope. It's Molina forcing his way in. Walang foul. Kick pass kay Trapal. Pass kay Josh. Nice to win. Nicely. Okay, labas mo na raw. Bryle. Royol for 3. Nope. Ayun. Si Dex. Cloyd. Abregana. Dex. Pops up. No good. Rebound. Arnel. Trapal driving, ayun, 3-second violation. Di maganda yung flooring. Medyo madumi kasi yung flooring, kaya medyo madulas. Pasensya na po. Number 9. 1:04 remaining. Espiritu, binababa ang bola. Espiritu, nandyan si Mr. Di Macali. Budina, Di Macali again. Pops up for 3. Nope. Rebound, Royol. Abrigana. Di Macali, Abrigana. Hop! Uy! Madulas. Ingat po. Madulas po yung court po natin yun. Molina. No good. Molina, the lefty. Eto naman siya. Cloyd Abrigana. Kiniliwakan ng kaliwa. Pasok. Kick pass. Molina. Number 18. Molina. Bangs it in. 12 seconds remaining. Riol. 5 seconds remaining. Cloyd. Pops up. Nope. Okay, back to the ball game po tayo. First quarter is ended. The score is 21-9 at 12-point advantage. Being posted by Airport United over the Sky Team. Standby po tayo po sa second quarter action. This game is brought to you by, of course, ating mga premium sponsors, Treadmills and Team LBC Haring ng Padala. Saan po natin po dyan ang ating mga sponsors team po or part of by SPB Ara, and nandiyan po ang PSB Basketball League. You're watching it at the first game for tonight. Second game for tonight, rather, dyan po ang Airport United versus the Sky Team. QR Towers and... Ano ba yan? Kalimutan ko. Third game. Yes, sorry. QR Towers and Cabin Line, please come on time because nagsimula po on time ang yung sinusundan. Maraming salamat po. And Medina number 24 inbounding with Billy. Enteng. Bryle for 3. Bang! Okay. Bryle 3 points. Answering the call. Ayan na naman si Bisto Brother, number 2. Nandiyan si Barantes. Double team already. Babagay mo ng bola. Babagay. Ayan, kay Ilaw. Pops up. Yes, sirree. Bisto, 2 points. 3 points. Boost Bisto. 3-2 daw. 3-2. Bocotano. Kick pass. Ayan si Babagay. Kick pass kagad. Nandun.
Last touch.
Okay, referee says it's blue ball. Ball to the Sky Team.
Video.
Okay, time po tayo. Okay, 24-12 po. Nag-timeout po kagad. Sabi ng referee po, it's blue ball. The ball is blue. Ball is blue po. Okay, medyo kinakalang yatang i-map po. Okay, back to the ball game po tayo now. The ball is blue. Okay, McCloskey. Hi, Robertson. Okay. Okay, Mr. Yan, si number 7. Bertorico, power move. What a play by Bertorico, in and out. Kalukanan. Ito na, mukhang kinakalangan, Nagbamando na po ngayon si Enteng, manning now. Manning the shots, Kalilong, kapos. Bryle, now, ito naman tayo. Nando, nice pass. Pass broken by Airport United. Pass broken by Airport United po tayo. Shena Billy. Medina number 24 to Shena Billy. Nope, it's Bryle! Backing violation. Backing violation na sobran yung pasa kay Braille. Sayang. Okay, let's go AU. Sabi ni Lowell Barredo. Yes. Naka-duty at si Robos Lowell yata. Ayun na naman. Babagay. Nope. Rebound. Enteng. 10 po kalamangan ng airport United. Enteng. Wala. No foul. Kick pass kay Bisto brother. Bisto. Barantes. Oy! No good. Binato agad kay Goy Enteng. Okay, 3 on 1. 4 on 2. Pops up. Nope. Rebound. Tap out. Airport United. Makati to. Makati itong mga. Labang muli dapat. Dito kagay, na naman. Ayun! 3 on 1 situation. Pisto. Ayun! Kay Babagay na lang. Pasok ang bola kay Babagay. Babagay, 2 points. Sabi ni Timothy Sebio, nanonood daw siya. Oh, nangyari. Billy? Ano? Nasuklo. Okay, sabon na po si Billy mo. Nasuklo yata siya. Nasuklo. Okay, sabon na po. Disconnect. Okay. Pumasok muna si Walter para kay Billy. Medina. Along with Berto Rico. Bocotano. Walter. Ayun. Babagay. 2 points. Medina. 24 lang. Salamat sa kalam. Medina ang 24 sa kalam daw, sabi ni McCloskey. McCloskey yan, kapwa na mga long hair boys yan ng Qatar Airways. Barantes against Walter. Barantes, wala.
Foul
Number 7, Bertorico called for a foul. Okay, si Yanesa, Kenneth Roger. Sky Team lang ang sakalam. Okay, sige. Where na you? Sky Team also. Mag-tripin kanilang lineup ngayon. And Barantes, number 19, shooting for 2. Pops up. Nope. Second shot, Barantes. Jumper ready. Second jumpers ready po tayo. Barantes, second shot. Jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. No good. Rebound, Bertorico. Walter. Ayan na si Bertorico. Bertorico na naman. Palpal bahagya. Medina. Nando si Barantes. Ayan kay Babagay. Pasok. Babagay, pasok ang bola. 30-14. 5:50 remaining. Braille, the 3-point man. Braille, pops up. Kapos. Binato na naman kay Babagay. Ayan kay Barantes, 2 points. Okay, yung second quarter po, all transition defense and offense po ng Airport United, And Walter called for a foul, take 2. Buspalre, Babagay called for a foul. Mr. Babagay called for a foul. Wala. Second shot, jumpers ready po tayo. Second free throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Walter, second throw, jumpers ready. It's out. Oy. Buspal rep. Hawe. 24 called for the foul. Hawe. 5:25 remaining. 5:20 remaining. Bisto. Pops up. Bang na naman. Barantes, 3 points. Same spot. 5:10 remaining. Okay, Enteng. Pasok ang bola kay Enteng. Ginamitan ng Mahika.
Basket ka, foul number 11, change five tayo.
Change 5 po tayo after this. Enteng for the bonus free throw. I think dito merong penalty shots po to be given ba to Sky Team. Mas marami sila ng konti. Mas marami sila.
White, rebound. Bonus break na yan, bonus break.
Rebound pong White of sakto lang sila 10 eh. Ang Sky Team sobra po. May sobra ng 10 ang Sky Team. Enteng pasok ang bola. At si Enteng, labas muna si Enteng. Of course si Josh for Enteng. Dominic Albert din naman siya. Grabe yung Air Barantes. Shoutout naman dyan with triple muscle. Ouch.
Foul number 3,
Sabi ni Mark Lopez, let's go AU for the win. Yan, from Japan. Nasa Japan yata si Mark Lopez. Dominic naman, pops up. Nope. Rebound. Abrigana. Nandun! Espiritu naman. And one play pa binigay.
Foul number 25.
Ito ang napansin natin po nung nakaraan linggo pa. Wala pong transition offense ang Airport United nung nakaraan linggo. I think they're pacing. Ngayon kasi since meron silang kompleto bench nila, kaya siguro talaga napag-transition defense offense sila ngayon. And nope. Rebound! Nagawa yung dalawa si Oriol at si Abrigana. Okay, white ball muli po tayo. 4:20 na remaining, 37-17. The biggest lead so far ng Airport United at 20 points already. 4:20 remaining. 4:20 remaining po tayo. Oy! Balik muli po tayo. Ito na. Espiritu. Nakuha ng pick. Espiritu again. Yung kanilang skipper ngayon. And Molina. Nandun si Abrigana. Sayang nice tap out yung Abrigana. 3:45 remaining.
10 to shoot.
Pinakawala. Di Maccabi. Uy! Molina. Same ball. Di Maccabi kumakat. Di Maccabi. Uy! Galing sa labas. Galing labas. Sabi ng referee, galing labas.
Pinagbabawal ng teknik.
Abrigana again. Abrigana. Creating space. Abrigana. In and out. Royol. Pasok ang bola kay Royol. Molina. Binabang bola. Oy! Molina again. Oy. Blocking foul. Blocking foul on Abrigana. Airport United. 3:01 remaining. Nag-time out muli pong Airport United na naman. Bulag ako. Back to the ball game. Okay, Dominic, si Nick.
Okay, back to the ball game.
Dominic for the inbound. Dominic. Espiritu against Trapal. The big guard. Kumukuha ng depensa. Kumukuha ng pick. Espiritu pops up. Out of bounds. 2:47 remaining. Trapal. Ano yung Trapal? Di Makulangan. Di Mac is watching. Oy, oy, oy. Lifting. Okay, balik muli po sa puti ang bola. White ball po tayo, white ball, white ball, white ball. Labang na isa. Espiritu. Bulina. Backing foul on Dex. Blocking foul on Dex. They're missing, I think they're missing the services of Lakanilaw talaga. Yung kanang high flyer. Pinababangin po ito na po tayo. Ito na. Oop. No good. Rebound. Same ball. Same ball po tayo. Same ball, same ball, same ball.
8 to shoot.
8 to shoot, 8 to shoot. Dako. Dick.
Oh, pinakawala.
No good. Buti na lang. Cloyd against Di Macali. Cloyd Di Macali. Swipe. Dex. Trapal. Double teamed. And to Cloyd again. Cloyd. Binabang bola. Cloyd. Foul.
And kick.
Arnel Trapal. Cloyd. Wala. Espiritu. No good. Foul.
Foul number 10. Penalty tayo.
Penalty situation. Team Sky Team at 1:32 remaining. The score is 37-19. An 18-point lead advantage still enjoyed by Sky Team at 1:32 remaining. First shot, Espiritu pasok. Second shot, Espiritu. No good. Rebound, Riol. And Tobrigana. Binabawa ni Arnel Trapal. Trapal. Malakas. Oh, puntik na. And naman. Nice one by number 20 by Dex. Sabi ni Sharon Esek Ochoa, AU with 3 puso. Okay, sige. Di Macali. Out of bounds. Okay, boss, sabi po ni referee daw po is blue ball. Referee blue ball. Referee says blue. Blue ball, blue ball. Ito na, kick pass, Braille. 2 points. Sorry, Riol, 2 points. Riol, 2 points. Di Macali. Di Macali. Lifting violation. 56 remaining. Cloyd de Bergana. Cloyd. Driving. Pasok. Tumatao sila. 42 seconds remaining. 38-25. Molina. Oy. Represents his foul. Number 25, Dex called for the foul. Number 25, Dex called for the foul. Foul si Dex. Dex called for the foul, SG. Molina, 2 shots given kay Molina, pops up, pasok. Second shot, Molina, jumper steady po tayo. Second shot, Molina, jumper steady po tayo. Both basket made. 30% remaining. Sabi ni Molina, Ciara Nice Vialo at Showa, Molina, may 3 puso. Royol, power move. Oy, pumasok palabas.
Foul number 7. No free throw.
Di Makali call for the foul for sure. Riol per shot. Out. 20 seconds remaining. Second shot, jumper ready po tayo. Wala. Rebound. Rebound, Di Makali to Molina. The lefty, Molina. Molina. Espiritu. Espiritu, driving strong. Molina. Oy, step. Traveling violation. 3 seconds remaining. Binato. Aray, masakit. Okay, halftime po tayo. Magbabalik po kami po. Huwag po kayong alis. The score is 40-25. A 15-point lead advantage na been enjoyed by Airport United. Over Sky Team. Okay, meron pong penalty shots po dahil marami po ang Sky Team kaysa sa Airport United. Mark Lopez, shoutout pa po. Yan, sabi naman dito, Julius aka J Buckets from Thailand naman. Dami ah. Hoy! Isa lang. Okay. 11 po kasi po ang Sky Team over Airport United. 10 lang sila. Kaya, nangyari, may isang shot na binigay. Okay. Coming up now, third quarter action. Third quarter coming up. Ano nga 26, no? Ilaw, 26 yan, di ba? 26? 26! 26! Ano ba?
Yung.
Ayun.
Akala ko yung score. 26. Oo.
Thank you. Barantes. Ayan na, second half na po tayong yun. Babagay. Nice pass. Nice pass din. Dumulas lang ang bola. Barantes. Wala. Uy! Madulas talaga.
Number 8, that's the second personal foul.
Okay, balik tayo. Bertorico number 7, shooting for 2. Pops up. Nope. Second shot by Bertorico. Jumpers ready po tayo. Second shot, Bertorico. Jumpers ready po tayo. No good still. Ilaw. Ilaw, binababa ang bola. Now to Mr. Bisto. Bisto number 2. Nope, it's Barantes. Barantes zigzagging its way. Nandun si Bisto. Pops up, ibabagay. Pasok ang bola. Take plus bonus shot. A potential 4-pointer by Babagay. Depende pa yan kung imintis niya at 3 points sila. Pwede rin kasi nga, no? Hindi na. Okay. A potential 4-pointer play by Babagay. Babagay for the bonus free throw. Nope. Rebound. Royol. Okay, 3 points lang. Di pumasok. Lloyd Fabregana. Floater shot. Pasok. 45-27. A native lead advantage still enjoyed by Airport United. Bertrico. Barantes. Push down niya. Barantes, floater shot, pasok. Wala pala yung iba, no? Like si Bob, wala si Bob. Bob, where na you? And of course, si Aguilar, wala rin si Aguilar. Yan, we're missing the service of Bob and Aguilar, ha? Scott is watching also. And si Mendoza is watching. Babagay, naka 3 points na naman. Babagay, 3 points. 7:41 remaining, 50-27. At 33-point lead advantage. Ay, 23-point lead advantage. Lloyd Abregana, wala. Royol, wala pa rin. At 23-point lead advantage na bin-enjoyed by Airport United over Sky Team. At 7:26 remaining, third quarter action. Royol shooting for 2. Pops up. Bang. Second shot, Royol. Jumpers ready po tayo. Royol, second shot. Jumpers ready. Second shot, Royol. Jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. Made. Okay, balik muli po sa 11. Nandun si Abregana. Nandun si Billy Siena. And Abregana, and one play made, and one. Okay. Lloyd Abregana shooting for the bonus free throw. Bonus shot, Abregana. 7:13 remaining. Abregana pops up. Pasok. Basket made by Abregana. Foul. Foul called. Scott is watching. Bukas may laro sila. Kalabang Boleros. Nawala ang bola kay Abregana. Swiped away by Sky Team. Balik muli po tayo at 6:54 remaining. Dalawang laman po ng 20 ang Airport United over Sky Team. 50-30. Bisto, bothered. Babagay, nando si Riol. Uy! Dalawa sila. Enteng, take the charge. Enteng, lost the ball. Bertorico, palpal. Uy, trap, ticket. Nice D. Okay, sa muna daw po tayo. For si Munir, papasok muna para ikalilong. Sino pa? Ayaw? Okay. Kalilong. Molina, alika para kay Kalilong. And Espiritu. Espiritu nakalusot. Kay Ilaw. Pops up. Nope. Gokotano. Binatong bola. Nandun si Billy. Billy. 2 points. No foul. Enteng. Nagmamando na naman. Enteng doesn't like what's happening right now. Ilaw. Dave Ilaw. And to Barantes. Barantes. Nope. It's zigzagging. Nako. Nice. D by Enteng. Sab, sino po ka sab? Okay, si Bertoligo labas muna para kay Bryle. Barantes muna para kay Dominic. Okay, now si Molina. Molina. Binatong bola kay Molina. Kay Espiritu. Espiritu Molina, Espiritu. Ilaw. Babagay. Molina. Nako, lumabas. Nice one. Pero natin si Buriol. Babaga, Lopez, Abrigana, 2 points. Abrigana, 2 points. Dominic muna magmamando. Ball handling skills by Dominic. Now to Mr. Espiritu. Ilaw. Babagay, pops up. Pasok. Perimeter shooting, pasok kay Babagay. 5:05 remaining. 5:05 remaining. Pops up Bryle. Nope. Hoy! Di nakuha. 4:55 remaining. 52-34. Laman po ng 18 ang Airport Tonight over Sky Team. Ayan na naman si Espiritu. Espiritu na walang bola. Foul. Molina. Di Macali. Nope, it's Cordero. Nope. Cloyd. Naka-rebound. Cloyd Abrigana. Cloyd. Ilabas muna. Royol. Uy. Di Macali. 3-on-1 situation. Di Macali. 2 points, Di Macali. Nagbalay si Eris, Di Macali. Royol. Binatong bola kay Enteng. Enteng Gokotano. Enteng. Wala. Enteng muli. Enteng. Enteng. Bang! Sa gilid. Easy basket pa Enteng Gokotano kay hindi Enteng. 4:01 remaining. Escat nanonood. Saan po natin ba si Christian Mendoza? Cordero. Ilaw. Ilaw nakalusot. Wala. Dominic. 2 points. Second chance points. 3:31 remaining. Bato. Riol. Riol, 2 points. Ralph Casal is watching. Espiritu. Di Macali. Nope. 2:57 remaining. Enteng. Nice D. Timeout po ang Sky Team. The score is 54-38. Laman po ng 16 points. Sorry. 2:52 remaining. 16 point na kalamangan pa rin po ng Airport United over Sky Team. QR Towers and Cabin Line, where na you? Dito na mi. Please come on time dahil sa magsisimula po yung on time. Pops up Kalilong. Nope. Rebound Molina. Molina, power move. Binato lang. Wala. Di Makali. Put back. 2 points. 2:34 remaining. 2:33 remaining. Binababa ang bola. Cloyd Abrigana. The Sky Team. Cloyd. 2 points Cloyd. 54-42 to 12-point advantage na lang. 12 na po kalamangan. Now, eto naman Di Makali. Pasok ang bola, Di Makali ang bola. 56-42, 14-point advantage again. Lloyd bangs it in. Sweet shot by Lloyd. Espiritu. Ayun. Pops up. Bang! Dominic 3 points. Ang pamatay sunog. 1:30 remaining.
1 minute and 25 seconds.
Cloyd Abergana. Pops up Medina. Wala. Rebound. Tapping barrel. Won by Luke Sky Team. Espiritu against Medina. Foul. Holding foul called. Holding foul called. Okay, baba po tayo. Sabi po niya si Dominic ang mag-inbound po si Dominic. Humingi ng bola si Molina. Ayaw bigay. Ayan na. Kay Mr. Di Makali muntik pang pumasok.
Ball
Number
number 7.
7. That's Berto Rico. Di Makali number 7 shooting for 2. At 61-45. Pops up. Di Makali. Pasok. Second shot, Di Makali. Jumper ready po tayo. Second shot, Di Makali. Jumper ready. Pops up. Pasok pareho. A minute and 10 remaining. A minute and 10 remaining. Ari Sila is watching. A minute and 2 remaining. Cloyd penetrating. Cloyd. What a play by Cloyd. Kaliwa, kinaliwa mula kanan. Di Makali naman, Di Makali, pops up Cordero. Wala. Di Makali naman, Cordero. Cordero for 3. Wala pa rin. And Gokotano and Cloyd. Out of bounds. White ball. Okay, 0:34 remaining, 60-47. Cordero, binababa ang bola. Molina against Medina. Ayun, nakalusot. Foul! Di Makali shooting for 2 at 21 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter action.
Fourth personal foul.
Di Makali sa first shot, wala. Second shot, jumper ready po tayo. Pops up. It's out. Rebound, Medina. Nandiyan si Berto Rico. Take 2. Foul. May foul.
Number 9.
Berto Rico shooting for 2. Two shots given.
13 seconds left.
Pops up. Nope. 13 seconds left. Fourth quarter coming up. Cabin line, Pure Towers, where na you? Dito na me. Magsisimula po kayo po on time. Maraming salamat po. Basket made, 13 seconds left. And binato na naman. Last shot sa kabila. 10 seconds remaining. Bertorico. Ay, yung pinasa. Bertorico, wala. Ah!
Huli mo! Yung buhay!
2 seconds remaining. The score is 64-48. 64-48, 2 seconds remaining.
Dos seconds.
Arnett Trapal for the inbound. Okay, ito na. Kick pass kagad kay Riol. Catch and shoot. Out of top time. Okay. Nice try. Okay, this is your aviation friendly Dabas Flying League. Would like to thank the funding sponsors, Thread Needles and Team LB sa lang padala. And of course, SPB Ara and PSB Basketball League. Okay, ito po ang ating participating teams for the season number 5 na aviation friendly Dabas Flying League. This is the elimination saying for tonight now it's been played now by Sky Team and Airport United. And now we have start now the fourth and final quarter. Okay, fourth and final quarter po tayo. Simulan po natin po ang fourth and final quarter. Kanyang bola rep. Bola daw po ng Sky Team. Sky Team on the offense. Aviation Airport United po ang depensa.
Pasok.
Dalang gumikeng. Eto na.
Sir,
Ah.
maling gabi.
O sir, Sir Mateo, kamusta po?
Pasok tayo!
Ay, salamat. Okay, thank you po.
Dos.
Okay, Enteng Gokotana for the inbound. Binasa ka, eto na. Final 10 minutes. Cloyd, Abrigana. Cloyd. Pops up. Wala. Ayan na naman, second points for Cloyd. Wala pa rin. Tapping battle won by Espiritu to Bisto. Nope, ayaw daw niya. Bisto. Yung bola. Take 2. Niyoyo ang bola. Take 2. Bisto brother. Number 2. Shooting for 2. Second shot. Jumper ready po tayo. Wala. Hop. Blue ball. Ayan na naman. Bryle. Nawala kay... Uy! Royol 2 points up. Touch si Royol. Pasok. Foul! Foul on Bryle. On Royol. Foul on Royol. And Espiritu for the inbound. 9 minutes remaining at 16-point advantage still enjoyed by Airport United. Babagay! Nako, nilabas. Riol. 2 points sa Riol. Ayan na naman, transition. Offense na naman, bumabanat ng Airport United ng Sky Team. Ilaw. Pow! Hoy! Easy lang guys, easy lang. Easy lang guys, easy lang. Wag ganun. Ayan na, dumating na rin sila. Chill lang tayo guys, chill lang tayo. Barantes agad sa Brigana. Kick pass to Babagay. Babagay is Enteng. Nando si Barantes. Malakas. In rebound battle kay Trapal. Nabuhay kay Trapal. Foul called. Foul. Technical foul called on Sky Team. Bench decorum for Sky Team.
May warning na kayo na doon. May warning na.
Meron pong warning po kanina. Technical foul called on Sky Team.
Foul number 11.
Foul number 11.
Number 11,
Number 11,
second personal foul.
second personal foul. Babagay for the technical free throw. Technical foul slap on Sky Team. Bench decorum kasi. Babagay. Kapas. Wala. Okay, yan. Lucky break. 8-12 remaining. Ayan na. Transfer to 3 down to 10 points. 8:09 remaining. Pops up. Brigana. Nando si Enteng. Wala. And same ball. Same ball. 7:54 remaining. Nice stop out. Ayan na naman. Nando si Brigana. Abrigana. Palpal. Ayun kay Bisto. 2 points. 2 points Bisto. 7:31 remaining. Bryle. Bangs it in. Ayan si Bryle. The silent assassin. Pinasok ang bola. Ayan na naman kay Babagay ang bola. 7:12 remaining. Babagay. Side step move. Wala sa ilalim. Down.
Foul number
42 called for the foul. The score is 66-55. At 7:09 remaining. 11 na lang po ang kalamangan ng Airport United over Sky Team. Babagay. Barantes, alusot. Same ball. Nice stop. Bisto. Ayun, Babagay, 2 points. Nice conversion by Babagay. 6:45 remaining. Ayun na naman. Enteng. Royol sa ilalim. Dukot. Wala. Nandiyan si Di Makali. Called for a foul. Bola. Okay, penalty situation now called on Sky Team. Okay, sabi ra po rito ni Renzo Manson, let's go AU, watching from Starlink. Nasa aeroplano siya, sabihin. Pops up. No good. Second shot, jumpers ready po tayo. Second shot, jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. Wala. Nice revive by Abrigana. Uy. Nice swipe away. Kick pass kagad kay Babagay. 2 points. And tamot po. .16 remaining. The score is 70-55. Bumaba na po yan po ng 11 kanina, pero nagawang po ng parampo ng Airport United. Kaya balik muli po sa 15 kalamangan ng Airport United. Renzo Mason is watching. Okay. Game reset po tayo. Isang timeout na lang po para po sa Sky Team.
Okay, back to the ball game.
Ilang timeout pa yun, oh? Effort United. Bryle. Power move. Royol, 2 points. Unstoppable Royol. Tao-tao, nagkatao-tao na sila. Dominic, time the break yung depensa. Dominic. Oy, 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 oy. Kick pa. Nasipa ang bola. 70-57. 13 na kalamangan po ng Sky Team. Ito na naman. Gokotano, 5:41 remaining. Gokotano, Enteng. Cloyd, Abrigana. Driving Shong. Nope. Oh, oy, 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 oy. Fresh 14. Gokotano for the inbound again. Arnel. Nice pass na hindi lang ready. Okay, same ball. Teka lang, magmi-meeting mga referee muna. Okay, meeting. Same ball, sabi ng referee.
Same ball.
5:21 remaining. Bulag. Floyd. Royol, finger roll, pasok. Ayan na naman. 11 na naman kalamangan. 11 kalamangan. Ito na naman siya. Molina. In and out. Abrigana. Nope, it's Enteng. Bryle for 3. Nope. Sayang. That could bring the house down. Eto na po tayo. Barantes. Wala. 4:41 remaining. Ayan na, kay Trapal. Naku, nilabas. Foul. Hindi ma-penetrate ang double digit. Timeout, Airport United for sure. 4:35 remaining, 70-59. Laman po ang, alam natin yan, Airport United. Penalty situation, Sky Team, Kalilong for 2. Pasok.
Basket.
Oy! Break tayo. Riol, and one play made. Eh na, hinahanap kay Riol.
Foul number 17.
Okay, chance now to make it 9 digits. 9 digits. 9-point lead na lang ang kalamangan. Nakana ako Panther, pero different sapat yan. No good. Rebound by the white shirts. Barantes. Ilaw, binababa ang bola. Ayun na lang. Foul. Enteng.
Foul number 42.
Enteng called for the foul. And penalty situation, Sky Team.
Takbo na lang.
No good. Bukot. Abregana na walang bola. White ball, sabi. Babagay. Babagay against Cloyd. Julius Babagay, JB. Barantes.
Working to shoot.
Bryle, nakalusot. Nasulutan. Dagbalay, pasok. Barantes, 2 points. 3:31 remaining. Again, nampat muli po ang Kalamangan. Balik muli po sa 12 ang Kalamangan ng Airport United. Bryle for 3. Ayaw. Binabantay na. Nando sa Riol. 2 points, Riol. Riol, 2 points. Riol, 2 points. Babagay. Transition na naman sila. Ilaw, foul. And 1 play pa. Ay, pinatay na tayo ng AC. Ang galing. Ay, ang galing. Wala na tayong AC. Ilaw, Dave, Ilaw. Shooting for the bonus free throw, maybe. Okay, it's good. Pasok. Okay, balik muli po sa lobing isang Kalamangan. 3 minutes remaining. Riol, pops up, pasok. Wala pa rin mintis si Riol, as of now, ha? Bulburon. Held ball situation. Kanyang bola, rep. Blue ball, blue ball. Ah, white ball, sorry, white ball daw.
White ball, white ball.
White ball daw, white ball, white ball. White ball. Barantes. Hop, 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 hop. Nagtanggel.
Foul number 10. Third personal foul.
Third personal foul called. Visto number 2. Shooting for 2. Pops up. Wala. Second shot, Visto. Jumpers ready po tayo. Second free throw ng Visto. Jumpers ready po tayo. Pasok. 2 points. Okay. 11 Kalamangan na naman. Gokotano, 2:25 remaining. Bryle. Bothered. Bryle. Bryle. Lost the ball. Visto. Nagmamadali. Visto na naman. Visto. Barantes. Ilaw, Dave. Ilaw. Babagay ng bola. Ayun. Kumat si Visto. Ayan. Pops up. Nako, balabas. Foul. Warning for penalty. Dapat, tansya ko, binank na lang yon. Hindi dapat inano sinubo sa ring. Timeout called. A minute and 59 remaining. The score is 70-65. Lamang pa rin po ang Airport United by 11 points. Nagdala na sinis yun, no? Si Chain. Hi, Jane. How's the form, no?
Good, everything going good.
Still, no? This, your coach still playing?
Huh?
Ni Filipino coach? Baka, Bakay?
Last
Okay,
2
yeah.
minutes.
Okay. Good. I mean, it's 59 remaining. Rex driving show. Binatan na ng bola. Riol, dinukot sa ilalim. Wala. Eto na, transition na naman sila. Transition offense. Fade away shot. Pasok. Ano yan, Jordan? Scott, sabi to, saan? Ikaw na lang nag-shoot sana. Mag-isa tumira. Hindi ko mabasa. Malabo ang mata ko. Barantes. Bisto na naman, mag-isa. Pops up, ayaw. Hoy! Pinatid. Ang sabi ni Scott, sana ikaw na lang mag-shoot kung mas magaling ka tumira. Bisto, pops up, wala. Bisto, second shot, jumper ready po tayo. Out. Nandun si Babagay. Lumusot. Babagay, ayun. 2 points, Barantes. Floyd. Bocotano, okay, let go na yan. Okay. 80-65 ang score po natin. Di ko dala salamin ko, pre. Di ko dala salamin ko, pre. Nakalimutan ko. Labo na ang mata ko eh. $59 seconds remaining. Okay, final 55 seconds. Babagay. Halilong. Babagay. Kick pass. Kalilong. Pops up, ilaw. Nope. Rebound. Pops up, Floyd. Bang. 10 ka namangan. Ayun lang. I think that's it. Barantes. 12 seconds. Okay. Okay, that's it. Okay. Time out. Time's up. Enteng. Floyd for 3. Nope. Again, that's it. Okay, winner by 10 points. Final score 80-70. Airport United. Maraming salamat po. Stand by po tayo sa ating final game for the day. Thank you very much between Pure Towers and Cabin Line. Maraming salamat po.